Hey y'all, it's Tionna Sade. Thank you for clicking this video. If you need your curls popping and your edges laid and your hair slick with the waves popping, watch this video. This is my hair freshly out the shower. I think I got out the shower about 5 minutes ago. My hair is already an afro. So I'm about to get right into this before my hair dries. I use the olive oil eco styling gel. I've tried the other ones. I don't like them. They don't work. I am using the Ebin edge control. Wow, purple cap. There we go. Aussie moisture curls, a little oil for my curls, keep them juicy and moisturized, you know what I'm saying. I need a dimming brush to detangle, a hard brush. You need a rat tail comb for parting and for baby hairs. And you're gonna need some ponytail holders. Just grab a couple, you know. You need a silk scarf, because if you don't have a silk scarf, it's not gonna lay down right, okay? Take my comb and part straight down the middle. Now I'm gonna take my brush and brush my hair toward a ponytail. You have to make sure it is fully detangled from root to end. Now we're going to do what I call my first draft ponytail. Just to hold my hair where I need it. After you have your hair in your first draft ponytail, this is where you're gonna go in with your eco styling gel. Can you all see? Got me a nice glob. And I am going to go over this entire side with eco styling gel. Don't forget to get your little kitchen in the back. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my firm brush and I'm just going to, you know, kind of work that gel through and get this layer smooth. And I'm gonna brush it all the way to the back. You gotta put some strength in your arm too. Yeah. Now while you're doing this, you will notice that your hair is gonna start bunching up towards the back where the ponytail is. And that's why I said first draft, because we're gonna end up redoing it. So now that I have my ponytail like molded,
my part is still crooked.
it's like I probably didn't even have to redo it at first.
Bam.
Okay, that's way better, because I'm like, am I tripping? So this ponytail, I'm not gonna take it out, but I am gonna move it down to the bottom of my ponytail, because now I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush and detangle the back so that it's not all bunched up at my ponytail. Now that I got that detangled at the root, it's not all the way detangled. Take that off. And I'm gonna do my final ponytail. So for my final one, I like to use 2 ponytail holders just to keep it nice and tight. And now I'm going to detangle this ponytail. And I also like to take some gel and run it through the ponytail just to keep the curls popping, you know. Shit popping. Yes, ma'am. So that's the ponytail. Easy, right? So easy. What's a slick ponytail without the baby hairs? Let me know. So I'm gonna go in with my edge control. And I just take a little generous amount. Actually, not that generous. You don't need that much. So then I start right here and I just go along my edge line. You know? So I'm going to kind of separate. I'm trying to separate my hair from my baby hair first. I'm gonna say that my baby hair is right here. That's so much. I am going to comb and swoop and then blend that down with that. Got my first swoop down. Okay. And I'm gonna go in and do another one. That's fine. For this little side piece, I'm gonna just stab some edge control in there and these things never do what I want them to do. What are these, sideburns? Never. So I'm just gonna stick it to my face. That might sound weird, but literally, I'm gonna stick it to my face. And then once they dry, they kind of just unstick. I would just like my hair to be super flat. If it's not super flat, your waves ain't gonna be busting.
Your waves ain't gonna be busting.
And that's just that. I like for the parts between my baby hairs to be defined as well. Just so you can differentiate the waves. Now I'm gonna go in with some oil. I'm gonna put majority of the product on my ponytail just to keep it juicy, you know, extra juicy. Then I am going to rub the excess into my hair so the waves can really be popping. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm actually for real. Okay, so this is the most important part to your ponytail. If you want your waves to be like whoosh, whoosh, you need a silk scarf. You have to tie your hair down with a silk scarf for a good 35-45 minutes. How y'all like it? this is my final result. I'm very pleased with it. This, I must say, is one of my best. Hopefully this video helped you. You can get the same slick sleek ponytail even if your hair is super thick. Just make sure that you wet it first. Follow this step by step and you can do it too, sis. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have any video requests or anything else that you want to know, questions, suggestions, tips, anything. Comment, let me know. Follow me on everything, Tionna Sade. Thank you. See you all next time.